What is SEO? Introduction. Welcome to today's episode of Digital Marketing Insights. In this episode, we'll be diving into the world of SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO plays a crucial role in helping websites rank higher in search engine results pages and drive organic traffic. So, what exactly is SEO? Let's find out. Segment 1. Definition and importance. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It refers to the practice of optimizing websites and their content to improve their visibility and rankings on search engine results pages, like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. The ultimate goal of SEO is to attract more organic, non-paid traffic to a website. Guest 1. SEO is important because search engines are the primary method people use to find information online. When your website appears higher in the search results for relevant keywords, it increases your visibility and drives more targeted traffic to your site. Ultimately, this can lead to higher conversions and business growth. Segment 2. How SEO works. Now that we understand the importance of SEO, let's talk about how it actually works. Guest 2. SEO involves various strategies and techniques that can be broadly categorized into on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing elements within the website itself, such as meta tags, keyword usage, content quality, and website structure. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, involves activities outside the website, like link building and social media marketing, that can positively impact search engine rankings. Guest 3. Search engines use complex algorithms to determine how to rank websites. These algorithms consider hundreds of factors like relevancy, user experience, and website authority. SEO aims to align your website with these ranking factors to improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Segment 3. Key SEO strategies. Let's discuss some key SEO strategies that can help websites improve their rankings. Guest 1. Keyword research is a crucial step in SEO. It involves identifying the search terms people use when looking for products or information related to your website. By optimizing your content around these keywords, you can increase the likelihood of your website appearing in relevant search results. Guest 2. Creating high-quality, engaging content is another essential aspect of SEO. Search engines prioritize content that provides value to users. So, focus on producing informative and well-written articles, blog posts, or other types of content that address your target audience's needs. Guest 3. Building high-quality backlinks is also crucial for SEO success. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours, and they signal to search engines that your site is reputable and trustworthy. You can obtain backlinks through strategies like guest blogging, influencer outreach, or creating shareable content. Segment 4. SEO best practices. Host. Before we wrap up, let's touch on some best practices for SEO. Guest 1. First and foremost, prioritize user experience. Ensure that your website is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and offers a seamless browsing experience. Search engines value websites that provide a positive user experience. Guest 2. Regularly monitor and analyze your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics. This data can help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to enhance your SEO efforts. Guest 3. Keep up with SEO trends and algorithm updates. Search engine algorithms evolve constantly, so it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. We've learned that SEO is the practice of optimizing websites to improve their visibility and rankings in search engine results pages. By implementing effective SEO strategies and best practices, businesses can attract more organic traffic and grow their online presence. Sharing their insights, and thank you all for tuning in. Until next time, happy optimizing!